So you've been invited to a trip and you've expressed your interest, but now you don't want to go anymore. So you can go back to your trip, click Edit Profile, and then choose to change your answer to the no option that's been provided by your planner. It'll tell you you're not going, and you can update your profile from there. You'll also receive an email confirming your change from the company that is running the trip. It will include information about the company and let you know that you will no longer be receiving any more messages for that trip. It'll also include a little note from the planner who's organizing the trip and give you a chance to reconsider. If you do choose to reconsider, come back to your profile and select the positive response and then click the green tick. Once you've done that, you're back to being registered and you should complete any payments and tasks that are prompted from within your travel page. Safe travels!